What is the process of getting my Indian MBBS degree recognized in Canada?
Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we'll be discussing a topic of high relevance to Indian doctors aspiring to practice in Canada: how to get your Indian MBBS degree recognized in Canada. This process involves a series of steps, including verification of your credentials, completing examinations, and gaining residency training in Canada. Let's explore these steps in detail.
What is the first step in getting my Indian MBBS degree recognized in Canada?
The first step is to verify your medical degree and complete the necessary paperwork with the Medical Council of Canada. They use an organization called Physicians Apply to do this. Physicians Apply verifies medical degrees, provides various medical examinations, and supports your application process to the Canadian Residency Matching Service.
What examinations do I need to pass?
Once your credentials are verified, you must pass 2 examinations. These are the Medical Council of Canada Qualifying Examination, MCCQE, Part 1 and Part 2. MCCQE Part 1 is a computer-based test that assesses your understanding of medicine, while Part 2 is a clinical exam assessing your skills and competencies.
What is the next step after passing the exams?
After passing these exams, you must apply to the Canadian Resident Matching Service, CaRMS. This is a system that matches medical students and residents to residency programs across Canada. Gaining a residency position is competitive, so it is important to build a strong application.
What happens after I get a match in the CaRMS?
Once you've successfully matched with a residency program, you will undergo residency training in Canada, the length of which depends on your specialty. After completing your residency, you will need to pass the certification examination of the Royal College of Physicians and Surgeons of Canada or the College of Family Physicians of Canada, depending on your chosen field. In conclusion, the process of getting your Indian MBBS degree recognized in Canada involves several steps, including credential verification, passing a set of exams, obtaining a residency placement, and eventually completing your residency training. It may seem daunting, but with determination and preparation, it's definitely achievable. We hope this video has been helpful, and we wish you the best of luck on your journey to practicing medicine in Canada.